ओके, आवाज येतोय का माझा?
हो.
ओके. आपलं जे नेक्स्ट युनिट आहे दॅट इज सेन्सर्स अँड ट्रान्सड्युसर्स. सो बेसिकली transducers is also one type of sensor, but transducers are usually measured the physical quantity in direct way or indirect way. That means sometimes we have to convert this physical quantity into some another physical quantity or another energy, and then we can measure the corresponding quantity with the help of transducer. But in case of sensors, you can directly measure the signal or the any measuring quantity. That means the physical quantity may be your temperature, humidity, light intensity, anything, any type of signal you can measure directly with the help of sensor. So the basic difference between sensor and transducer is what? With the help of sensors you can directly measure the corresponding physical quantity, but with the help of transducer you can or you may or may not measure the physical quantity directly. Okay, so simple definition of transducer is what? It is a device which is used to convert the one form of energy into another form, like from physical to physical or physical to electrical. Then it is called as transducers. There are various types of transducers and sensors available in the day-to-day life. That is a very simple example, the thermometer is basically a type of sensor or transducer which is used to measure temperature, or the thermocouple, which is the type of transducer which is used to measure again temperature. But in case of transducer thermocouple, you have to convert the temperature into some voltage signal, that means some electrical signal, electrical quantity. Okay, so this is nothing but the transducer. So you are going to study in this unit various types of sensors and transducer. But before that, the basic application of sensor and transducer is generally it is used in various process industries, various instrumentation systems. So we have to study this instrumentation system. So the basic building block diagram of instrumentation system can be shown here. Clearly image दिसते का तुम्हाला ती block diagram? It is visible to you? Yes or no? Is it visible? Okay. So very first point, the measured medium, or you can say the physical quantity, or you can say the quantity to be measured. It is any physical quantity which is to be measured. So it may be your temperature, it may be light intensity, it may be humidity. So any type of, it may be pressure, force, anything, whatever you have to measure, it is nothing but it is called as quantity to be measured, or you can say the measured medium. This measured quantity is then applied to primary sensing element. Okay, it is then applied to primary sensing element. Primary sensing element is nothing but it is the transducer, a type of transducer. So you can mention over there that primary sensing element here is nothing but a type of transducer which converts the physical quantity into some electrical signal. Okay, so electrical signal means either voltage or current. So whatever the physical quantity, if temperature is there, then you can convert this temperature into some electrical signal like voltage or current. So transducer is the primary sensing element. Output of this transducer, that output is nothing but some electrical energy or electrical signal, is then applied to variable conversion element and variable manipulation element. The combination of this is called as signal conditioning system. Okay, signal conditioning means it condition or it maintain its quality of signal, or you can say it may amplify the signal, or it may attenuate the signal, or it can convert the data into some digital format. So conversion, amplification, attenuation, all these functions are performed by this signal conditioning system. So this signal conditioning system has two parts, that is, one is variable conversion element and second one is variable manipulation element.
Element.
So variable conversion element is the primary sensing element, or the electrical signal is converted into some suitable form. Okay, So suitable form may be your digital form, or maybe any conversion if you need it, or maybe it can perform amplification, or it can perform attenuation. Okay, so variable conversion element is used to convert the whatever the output of transducer into some another format, like from analog to digital. Okay, प्रणव सर माइक अनम्यूट करून ठेवा तुमचा. Next part is variable manipulation element. Output of variable conversion element goes to variable manipulation element. This is used for changing some value. Means if you need, मी already बोलली कि signal conditioning is nothing but it may be your amplifier, it may be your attenuator, or it may be your analog to digital converter, which having two parts. First one is of conversion element and second one is of manipulation element. So manipulation means what? If you need some change in the value, म्हणजे जर त्याचा सिग्नल जो कन्वर्जन करताना जर त्याची व्हॅल्यू रिड्यूस झाली किंवा नॉईज ॲड झाला आहे तर तो आपल्याला काय करायचा आहे, इम्प्रूव्ह करायचा आहे. आयदर यू हॅव टू बूस्ट द सिग्नल और यू हॅव टू अटेन्युएट द सिग्नल. सो फॉर दॅट पर्पज वी यूज द व्हेरिएबल manipulation element, like you can say the amplifier or the attenuator. Okay, so output of this signal conditioning stage goes to data transmission element. Now the data transmission element may be your wired or wireless type. Okay, so there are two different types of media for transmission of signal, that is maybe wired or wireless. So in case of wireless you can send the data through radio links, and in case of wired you can send the data through some different types of cables, like for example coaxial cable. Okay, so इथे बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल काय सांगणार आहे, रिमोट कंट्रोल. टी व्हीचा जो रिमोट कंट्रोल असतो, सिग्नल ट्रान्समिट होतोय तो तुमचा कसा पास होतोय, इन्फ्रारेड वेव्ज असतात. ठीक आहे, त्या वेव्स ट्रान्समिट होतात. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट द वन ऑफ द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ डेटा ट्रान्समिशन. सो सिग्नल म्हणजे तुम्ही जो काही चॅनल करस्पॉन्डिंग प्रेस केलं तो चॅनल तुम्हाला डिस्प्ले होतो टी व्हीवर. सो डेटा काय दिलेला आहे, तुम्ही नंबर प्रेस करताय, तो नंबर कसा पाहतोय, इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेव्ज ट्रान्समिट होत आहे, रेडिओ लिंक्समधून ट्रान्समिट होतं आणि तुम्हाला डिस्प्ले होतो. सो आउटपुट ऑफ दिस डेटा ट्रान्समिशन, जो काही कॅप्चर केलेला डेटा आहे, रिसिव्ड केलेला डेटा आहे, इट विल ट्रान्समिटेड टू डेटा प्रेझेंटेशन एलिमेंट. ओके, सो दिस डेटा प्रेझेंटेशन एलिमेंट मे बी your display, maybe printer, maybe memory, where we have to store this data for future purpose. ओके, कुठलंही असू शकतं इलेमेंट, तिथे तुम्ही काय करताय, प्रेझेंट करताय किंवा तुम्ही स्टोरेज करताय किंवा तुम्ही प्रिंटआउट काढताय. सो प्रिंटर येईल, डिस्प्ले येईल किंवा तुमचं एखादा मेमरी युनिट येऊ शकतं डेटा प्रेझेंटेशन इलेमेंटमध्ये. सो इट इज व्हेरी सिम्पल ब्लॉक डायग्राम ऑफ इन्स्ट्रुमेंटेशन सिस्टीम वेर इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ a physical quantity which is to be measured is applied to primary sensing element. Primary sensing element is nothing but a transducer where it converts the physical quantity into some electrical signal. That electrical signal may be your voltage or current, and this output of primary sensing element is then applied to variable conversion element where this signal is may be converted into some another form, like for example it may converts into some digital format or any other electrical signal format. Okay, after that output of this variable conversion element goes to variable manipulation element where your signal may be amplified or may be attenuated with the help of amplifier and attenuators. Combination of this variable conversion element and variable manipulation element is called as signal conditioning system. After that output of this signal conditioning goes to data transmission element where it consists of two media, either wired or wireless. With the help of wireless you can transmit the signal through radio link, and with the help of wired media you can transmit the signal with a different types of cables like coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, or any type of cable. Okay, then output of this data transmission element goes to data presentation element where there may be printer, there may be recorder, there may be any storage element, or there may be any display. Okay, so this is nothing but the basic building block diagram of instrumentation system. Very much important topic from this chapter. Okay, from this unit. So clear to you? Yes, anyone have doubt? ब्लॉक डायग्राम समजली. पॉईंट टू पॉईंट, ब्लॉक टू ब्लॉक एक्सप्लेन करायचं असतं. प्रत्येक ब्लॉकचं फंक्शन समजलं पाहिजे. आता मी तुम्हाला ही ब्लॉक डायग्राम नसेल आठवत तर त्याच्याऐवजी दुसरे एक ब्लॉक डायग्राम, सिम्पल ब्लॉक डायग्राम सांगते. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जिथे तुमचं दिलेलं आहे मेजर्ड मीडियम, तुम्ही तिथे मेन्शन करा क्वांटिटी टू बी मेजर्ड. नोटबुक असेल तर साईड बाय साईड नोट डाऊन करा, फ्लो नोट डाऊन करत राहा. क्वांटिटी टू बी मेजर्ड. आफ्टर दॅट इन्स्टेड ऑफ using word primary sensing element you can directly use their word transducer. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट ब्लॉक काय येणार आहे ट्रान्सड्युसरचा. पहिला आहे क्वांटिटी टू बी मेजर्ड, देन ट्रान्सड्युसर. नंतर तिसरा ब्लॉक येईल डायरेक्टली सिग्नल कंडिशनर. डायरेक्टली काय येणार थर्ड ब्लॉक विल बी कन्सिस्ट ऑफ सिग्नल कंडिशनर. आफ्टर दॅट फोर्थ वन विल बी ऑफ डेटा ट्रान्समिशन इलेमेंट अँड फिफ्थ वन विल बी ऑफ डेटा प्रेझेंटेशन इलेमेंट. आणि त्या डेटा प्रेझेंटेशनला पुढे लगेच कनेक्ट करा प्रिंटर, रेकॉर्डर अँड डिस्प्ले. असे 3 ब्लॉक्स दाखवा जे डेटा प्रेझेंटेशनला कनेक्टेड असणार आहे. ठीक आहे. सो ही झाली एकदम सिम्पल ब्लॉक डायग्राम फॉर इन्स्ट्रुमेंटेशन सिस्टीम. आयदर यू कॅन रेफर द गिवन डायग्राम और यू कॅन रेफर द डायग्राम आय हॅव टोल्ड यू. ठीक आहे. जर नोट डाऊन केली असेल तर क्लिअरली नोट डाऊन करा. फर्स्ट ब्लॉक क्वांटिटी टू बी मेजर्ड, सेकंड ब्लॉक ट्रान्सड्युसर, थर्ड ब्लॉक सिग्नल कंडिशनर, फोर्थ ब्लॉक data transmission element, and fifth block data presentation element. And to the data presentation element you can connect printer, recorder and display. So explanation ला पण इझी जातं. एक्सप्लेनेशन काय नाही, सिम्पली ट्रान्सड्युसर आलं की ट्रान्सड्युसरची डेफिनेशन आणि 1-2 एक्झाम्पल्स टाकायचे. दॅट ट्रान्सड्युसर इज अ डिव्हाइस विच कन्वर्ट्स फिजिकल क्वांटिटी इंटू इलेक्ट्रिकल signal. So for example there may be thermocouple, there may be any photovoltaic cell, photodiode, etc. After that signal conditioner, it consists of various types of amplifiers and attenuators to either amplify the signal or attenuate the signal. And then next about data transmission element, it consists of wired and wireless. For wireless communication we use radio link, and for wired communication we use different types of cables like coaxial cable. Last part is of data presentation, where we have to present the data in terms of printing, in terms of recording or in terms of memory storage. Okay, so या मानाने पण तुम्ही एक्सप्लेन करू शकता. क्लिअर.